Pineapple juice production begins at the source. Healthy, fully mature pineapples grown for high sugar content and balanced acidity.
Only pineapples that reach optimal ripeness are selected, ensuring consistent flavor and juice yield.
Careful harvesting prevents bruising, which can affect juice quality during processing.
Proper crate design allows airflow, reducing heat buildup and preserving pineapple freshness. Early visual grading at the farm removes underripe or damaged pineapples before transport.
Pineapples are staged in shaded areas to slow respiration and sugar breakdown.
Skin integrity is critical. Intact pineapples protect juice purity during extraction.
A preliminary rinse reduces field debris before pineapples enter the factory environment.
Traceability begins at harvest, linking every pineapple to its origin for quality control.
With sourcing complete, pineapples are prepared for controlled transport to the processing facility.
Pineapples are mechanically handled to minimize human contact and reduce contamination risks. Controlled wrapping keeps pineapples secure while allowing airflow during movement.
Each batch is digitally logged, preserving traceability from plantation to factory.
Conveyor-assisted loading reduces impact damage to the pineapple flesh. Field heat levels are checked to ensure pineapples remain within safe temperature limits.
Pineapples failing early handling checks are removed to protect juice consistency.
This crate is compromised. Move it to the reject area immediately.
Insulated vehicles slow enzymatic activity inside the pineapple during transit.
Balanced loading prevents crushing and ensures even air circulation.
Sealed transport protects pineapples from dust, pests, and external contamination. With collection complete, pineapples begin their controlled journey to the factory. Fresh pineapples reach the factory within strict time windows to preserve natural sugars.
Every pineapple shipment is verified against harvest data before unloading begins.
Proper dock alignment prevents impact damage during pineapple unloading.
Gentle unloading protects pineapple structure, critical for efficient juice extraction.
Automated conveyors maintain steady flow and prevent handling delays. Temperature stabilization begins immediately upon factory entry.
Preliminary cleaning removes field residue before detailed washing.
Internal color and aroma confirm pineapple ripeness and juice potential.
Only compliant pineapples proceed into the juice production line.
Receiving concludes as pineapples transition into controlled processing environments. High-pressure potable water washes remove dirt, microbes, and surface residues from pineapples. Uniform rotation ensures every pineapple is cleaned evenly before processing.
Excess surface water is removed to prepare pineapples for precise cutting. Automated vision systems detect defects, mold, or abnormal coloration. Only pineapples meeting strict quality parameters continue forward.
Human inspection complements automation, ensuring every pineapple meets strict quality standards with no defects overlooked.
Crowns are removed cleanly to prepare the pineapple body for peeling. Precision peeling maximizes juice yield while removing tough outer skin. At this stage, pineapples are fully prepared for juice extraction. Receiving concludes as pineapples transition into controlled processing environments.
Prepared pineapples are mechanically crushed to release their juice-rich pulp.
Controlled crushing preserves pineapple aroma while breaking down fiber. High-pressure presses separate juice from solid pineapple fibers. Extracted juice is immediately transferred to prevent oxidation.
Short-time heat treatment ensures safety while preserving pineapple flavor. Quick cooling locks in freshness and prevents flavor degradation.
Continuous testing maintains consistent taste and quality standards.
Controlled blending ensures every batch tastes the same.
Processing concludes as juice flows into the final stage of production.
Packaging begins with sterilized containers to protect pineapple juice purity.
Automated fillers deliver exact volumes without air exposure.
Airtight sealing preserves freshness and extends shelf life. Each bottle is inspected to ensure safety and consistency. Product information and traceability are permanently attached.
Secure packaging protects pineapple juice during handling and transit.
Automated palletizing ensures stability and efficient warehouse storage.
Controlled storage conditions maintain juice quality until distribution. Final products are prepared for delivery to markets worldwide.
From fresh pineapples to bottled juice, the journey reaches consumers.
And that's how fresh pineapples are turned into delicious pineapple juice face, from start to finish.
If you enjoy seeing how real factories turn fresh pineapples into pure juice, subscribe to the channel for more authentic industrial processes.